bounds.
So, totally taking some pictures. Hey, grab your sister's hand. I need to take pictures. Grab her hand, honey. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Love you too, bye.
God, this is a Dodge Viper. It's a what?
Dodge Viper.
Cool. You gonna get her hand?
Leah,
Man, these are hot. Oh, I love this. I actually like that one better.
I like this one.
Wish that sweat dude get off my phone.
I love this one.
Oh, they got a Holly in here. Oh.
Come on, Racy, you hang out with mommy. Look at that one.
I love the blue
Which one do you like?
Blue one.
You like the blue one?
Yeah.
You ain't even seen them all yet. Oh man, that's pretty cool. Oh man, that food smells good. It's making me hungrier. Oh wow, look at that one, Racy.
Let's stop and see it.
Let's stop it. I want to get it under the hood.
hey, Ma, you want to get me a car?
Yeah, I heard that. You ought to take a picture of the one that's your favorite. Take it back there and say, here's the car. I like that one. Heck yeah. Heck yeah. Really?
Do you not see the for sale sign?
Yeah, I do now. Woo, baby.
Ooh, take a picture of that.
Take a picture of that. Okay.
My favorite.
And my brother Freddie would love to be here right now.
Let's stop.
Yeah, I hope that wind ain't cutting it in two here.
Let's stop.
My audio. Oh my God, that is hot. Oh, I like that black. The black one, the top down. I like them all. Let's take them
Oh,
all.
I love this.
Take them all home with me.
Purple.
Yeah, that one's purple.
That's Leah.
Sweat beads are getting on my nerves. I actually learned how to drive in a car just like it when I was 14. Come on, baby. I'm gonna get deeper on this camera. Dee! Dee, say hi. Oh, these sweat beads are getting on my nerves. Look at this one.
I was born in '59, and I think that's a '59 Chevy, but I'm not sure.